Hello and welcome to Fiorano Tutorials. This is an introductory video of the Fiorano ESB platform. The video will provide an overview of the architecture, introduce various components in our ESB, and show you how to get started. This diagram illustrates the Fiorano ESB architecture. The major components of the platform are enterprise server, peer servers, microservices, and tools. Fiorano has a peer-to-peer cloud-ready architecture. It consists of a federation of peer servers and one enterprise server. The Fiorano Enterprise Server (FES) is a centralized management server which handles management and monitoring of the ESB activities. It also acts as a metadata repository of integration applications, microservices, and various other configuration information. In a Fiorano network, the data flow takes place purely in a peer-to-peer fashion between the peer servers without the intervention of FES. Only the control information flows between the enterprise server and peers. The peer server is the runtime container for your microservices. This is where the application execution and all the message exchange takes place. If a service is overloaded, you can add more instances dynamically across the cloud or enterprise network without stopping the system or application. You have a single point of control as with the hub and spoke architecture, but with distributed parallel data flow between the endpoints. This provides incremental, dynamic scalability and extensibility. Fiorano platform provides a wide range of pre-built microservices, each performing a simple business task. These services are building blocks for designing various business processes. With a peer-to-peer integration, each microservice is wrapped in a lightweight messaging layer. Wherever you deploy them, they can communicate. Tools like Fiorano Studio and Dashboard are available with the platform. The Fiorano Studio is an Eclipse-based IDE which allows end users to compose, deploy, and debug integration applications. The Fiorano Dashboard is a web-based management and monitoring tool which lets you configure alerts, view real-time metrics and graphs. Queues can be monitored and flows can be debugged in real time. Tools can reduce implementation time by up to 80%. A Fiorano integration application consists of microservices with data flow lines defined along with their deployment information. We use the Fiorano Studio to design integration applications using a visual drag-drop configure approach. These applications are stored in the enterprise server, and at runtime, the microservices used in the application are deployed in the Fiorano peer servers and exchange messages. For the demo, I have downloaded and installed the Fiorano ESB platform on my Windows server. I'm going to show you how to launch the servers, Studio, and Dashboard. In order to launch the ESB server, navigate to ESB, Server, bin directory. Open the command prompt and execute server.bat file along with the profile and mode information. In order to launch a peer server, execute server.bat file with mode FPS. Now I'll start the Studio tool. Navigate to eStudio folder and execute the eStudio exe file. A workspace selection dialog pops up where you can choose the eStudio workspace. You can use the default path. Click OK. A welcome page is displayed when you first launch eStudio. Welcome page lists the perspectives and documentation links. We use the online event process development perspective to connect to the ESB server and create integration flows. Click on the perspective and its views are displayed. On the left hand side, there is a Server Explorer view with an Enterprise Server node. This node is pre-configured to connect to the local ESB server. Right-click on the node and select the Login option to log into the server. In this dialog, provide the default admin user password PASSWD. Click OK. After you are logged in, the views are populated with the corresponding objects. Enterprise Server node contains an event process repository node. This is where you create and view your integration applications. Sample integration applications shipped with the product can be seen here. I'll open a sample flow. This is how an integration flow looks like. The icons you see here are microservices and lines are called routes. Each microservice is a process step that implements a single business function, and routes transfer messages between connected microservices. On the right hand side, there is a microservice palette with various microservices. Currently there are 100 plus pre-built microservices available in the platform. We go into more details as I go through the demonstration. The next component is the Fiorano dashboard. It can be accessed from a web browser. The login page URL is localhost:1980. Click the ESB web console link to load the login page. Use the default user admin and password PASSWD to log in into the dashboard. The dashboard is a web-based monitoring tool for the Fiorano ESB network. It enables administrators to monitor a wide range of system parameters across the network. It also provides support for launching and stopping servers and applications. We have a couple of exercises for you to get hands-on creating integration flows. So this is a good point to stop, open up the next video, and work on a flow to create a REST service to expose a database table. Thank you very much for watching this video.